We're finding new and inventive uses for drones all the time, but now researchers are sending them into volcanoes in the hopes of saving lives. Volcano eruptions can be predicted in a few ways. Earthquake and tremor activity and bulging volcano slopes can be pretty good indicators of such events, and satellites can detect and measure increases in sulfur dioxide being expelled, another way to tell that something is happening down below. But these ways alone aren't enough, as all of these symptoms can occur regularly even on long dormant volcanoes. But the difference in emissions, specifically CO2 and SO2, can reveal magma approaching the surface, a precursor to an eruption, which is why researchers sent drones in to capture and measure those gases from Manam, one of the most actively gassing volcanoes in the world. They not only found that the volcano was emitting far more gas than previously thought, around 8,800 tons of CO2 and SO2 per day, but the gas mixture was from the upper mantle and not derived from the Earth's crust, meaning an eruption could be possible. And they were right. Manam erupted just 1 month after researchers left the site.